Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Broke Girls Art School. This is going to be a little bit different. Today I'm going to be talking about some different ways that you can make it as a full-time artist. So if you are somebody that is stuck in a job that you hate, you're in a 9-to-5 and you wish that you could do what you're passionate about every day for a living, then this video is for you. I'm going to share with you guys my journey into what I'm doing now because I'm very, very busy, which is a great problem to have, but you know, it took a while to get there. So you got to really build yourself up, and I'm going to give you some tips on how to do that. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see my future videos. So the first piece of advice I want to give you guys is to dabble with some different mediums of art. I have a lot of different avenues of revenue. I do my tattoos full-time, which keeps me super busy, but I also have wood burns, painting commissions, and sometimes I'll even, just pick some random new thing that I want to try and then end up selling it. Like I did that with like a macrame plant holder. I've bleached clothes before and sold those, so I have a lot of different avenues, and that has helped me out so much because, for example, I was out of work for 2-3 weeks because I had COVID in the beginning of October, so I could not tattoo. Even though I only felt like shit for 2 days, I couldn't work for that long. So it was really, really nice to be able to do my wood burns and painting commissions and all that stuff at home because I had multiple people wanting different things. So you can also, buckle down and just really master one medium of art if that's all you're really passionate about. But I would always have like some sort of backup if you're not busy with that at the time being. Like you don't want to put yourself in a situation where you're not supplied with enough income to get by. So I want to give you guys a little bit of my backstory and how I got into being a full-time artist. So for the past 10 years, I've been in the service industry. I started bussing tables when I was 15, and then I waitressed and bartended, on and off part-time until last year. So I had some other things that I tried along the way. Like I did massage therapy for a couple years. I did real estate for a little bit, but just wasn't really that passionate about that stuff. And I got to a point where I was like, I want to be doing what I love every single day, and I don't want to have to feel like I'm at some soul-sucking job just to get by. Which, no hate on serving, definitely taught me so much about communication skills and patience, and it'll definitely make you modest, that's for sure. So yeah, I started cutting down on my hours, more and more frequently at the restaurant and trying to spend more and more time on my art. And one thing that's super important is valuing your own time. I feel like a lot of people, especially when they start out, they don't know how much to charge and they really undervalue themselves. So I think it's important to gain enough confidence in yourself and your work so you can sell it for prices that you can make a full-time living off of. But with that being said, I think it's very important to put 100% into everything you do, and the amount of growth that you'll experience is just exponential. It's like you just keep stacking skill on top of skill, and if you be consistent with your free time for a few months and, instead of watching TV for 2 hours before bed, learn how to draw something new or learn a new painting technique or experiment with something you've never tried before. And eventually, if you keep just focusing your energy in that direction, you're going to bring that into your life. And the more time and dedication that you have, you will be rewarded for it. But you need to, like I said, do not half-ass things. Give it 100%. Really make something that you are proud of, that you would want to buy yourself. Because if you wouldn't buy what you're making, then why would somebody else? And on another note, I just want to say I think it's very important for everybody to live this human experience to its fullest potential. And if you have the opportunity to do things that you are passionate about and that you love and that bring you joy every single day, then if your hobbies are your full-time job, then you really don't have much to complain about, There is no better feeling than creating something new every single day. So if that's something that you want to turn your life into, then start doing it today. Pick something new, draw something, fucking paint something. I don't know, I don't care, but I hope you're happy with your life choices. Well, thanks for watching another video with me, you guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like if you enjoyed the video. Have a great day.